Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have completed the volumes chapter. Now, I am going to this lecture and from a lecture after lecture after that, we will covering the topic areas related to circles. This chapter 12 of class 10th NCERT. You, you already know basics of circle. Let's brush it up. This is a circle having center as O, center. This length from here to there is noted R, called as radius of the circle, and distance from here to here passing through center is denoted by D, known as diameter. So area of the circle, you know that this is pi r square unit square, where unit is the r, radius is r unit, so area will be pi r square unit square. Now the circumference of this circumference, or you can say perimeter of this circle, if you revolve from here to here in its boundary, the circumference of this circle equals 2 pi r unit, where r is the radius. These are only basics you know from up till here. This is 1, this is 2. Now some terms you need to understand. This is a circle, this is a circle. This is called a sector. This region is called sector. This is minor sector. Minus means small, and this is major sector. Major sector. Same thing for segment. This is a circle. This segment. This is minor segment, and this is major segment. Minor, why? Because this is small, minor. This is major, bigger to major. Now how to calculate the area? Suppose this circle is given with radius r. You need to find this area of, and this is theta in degrees. You need to find the area of this segment, shown in green color. Background also green, but the shaded area. So area, this is the radius of the circle is given by r theta. Area of this sector equals theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. Sorry, into pi r square. This is the area of the sector. Now if you want to find the length of this arc, this is known as arc. this minor arc, and if I do not some different color, this length known as major arc. Area of the minor arc. See, area of this sector was given by using this theta. This is area of minor theta. What is area of major? Major will be 360 minus this, whose major angle will be from here to here, 360 minus theta, so 360 minus theta by this. So area of arc, minor arc, we will say area of arc, normal arc. I'm just denoting this. Area of arc is given by theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. See, pi r square is the original area of the complete circle. This is not area, circumference, the length of this minor arc. This is a pi r square, and the length of this arc will be theta by 360 into 2 pi. 2 pi is the circumference of the complete circle. So it is fraction of this circumference. You can also see that this is fraction of this whole circle. This is this. Now next, area how will you calculate the area of this segment? Theta is given, different color, theta degrees, r is the radius, is also r. How will you, and this is theta, this is not 90 degrees, theta. How will you calculate the area of this shaded region? So from here, this area of this shaded region will be area of the segment will be area of the sector. What is the sector? This complete area minus area of the triangle. What is area of this triangle? You know this area of this triangle? See, if you draw perpendicular from here to here, so you divide this into two parts. I have also shown this in the circle chapter. Since this is theta, this will be half of theta is theta by 2. So you know that sine theta by 2, nothing but, if I'm assuming this is L, so L by R, which implies that we need to find the value. L is R sine theta by 2. So the length of complete this will be 2L. Why it is not working? 2L. So L equal to 2L equal 2R sine theta by 2. This and from here, if this is suppose B, so cos theta will be B by R, theta by 2, sorry, the theta by 2 angle, which implies that B will be R cos theta by 2, which implies that area of this triangle will be half base. You know that area of triangle will be half base. Base here, this is 2L, complete 2L is the base, 2R sine theta by 2 into height. Height is here is B, so R cos theta by 2, which implies that area of this triangle will be 2 से 2 get cancelled. This is r square sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now the area of but you need to find the area of the shaded period. Area of the shaded region will be area of the sector, that is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. Area of triangle is r square sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. You can take r square common, theta by 360 into pi minus sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This is area of the triangle, not triangle, the area of the shaded region. Area of triangle you have calculated, area of the shaded region you have also calculated. Length of the arc you know, even you know the length of this segment also. This segment, length of this segment you also know. What is this? Is 12. You also know, you have covered this. This is minor major accent. You have covered this. You have covered circumference also. And what thing is left? For NCERT, this is chapter number 12. Diameter, this arc, triangle, major, minor, done. Yes, this is also done. Yes, we have done this also. This is extension of this, and yes, nothing special left. So moving to example part. Introduction, we have also already said that you know that this is pi, 2 pi r is the circumference. See, first question. The cost of fencing a circular field at a rate of 24 per meter is this. The field is at the rate of this. Find the cost of ploughing. Find the cost of ploughing. Ploughing is related to area and fencing is related to circumference. You know that for any circumference, for any field of circular field of radius r, circumference is given by length of circumference of the field is given by 2 pi r. This 2 pi r value is not given, but at a rate of 24 meter, it is the cost. The total cost will be 5280. So for 24 meter, for 1 meter, it costs rupees 24. So for question 5280, or you can inversely say that for rupees 24 you can make fence up to 1 meter, which implies that for rupees 5280 you can make 1 by 24 into 5280. So if you cancel this 2 to 8, 48 to 220, which implies that you need 220 meter. You have, for this much amount, you have made the fencing of meter 220 meter. Now for circumference is the from the circumference is 2 pi r, which is equal to 220 meter. Now not this, 2 pi r equal to 22 meter. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 220. 22 10 the r is 2 5 the 10, 6 5 35. R is 35. Now this is to be ploughed. Means you need to calculate the area. Area is pi r square. R is given, so put the value and get the value of area. Cost of ploughing is 0.5 meter square. So total cost of ploughing is equal to 0.25 per meter square. So into per meter square yes, into pi r square. It is the total cost of ploughing the field. Solve this and you get the answer. I think they have also done the same thing because only one logic can solve this question. See, they have also calculated 2 pi r 220. From here you divided by this is 220, then 2 pi r value 35. Then they have put the value of 35 in r square and that the area of the field, and from area of the field they have multiplied it 0.5 and they have got the answer. Now there is exercise 12.1. The radius of two circles are this and this respectively. Find the radius of circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Nothing to do. R1 question it is given, R2 sum of the two circumference equals 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. It will equal to the circumference of, find the radius of the circle is having the circumference equal to the circumference of the sum of the just two circles. So let us suppose this is third circle, bigger circle, whose radius is r3 and circumference is 2 pi r3. This value should be equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. So if you take common or cancel this, which implies that r3 will equal to r1 plus r2. Add this value and get the answer. Simple, nothing to solve this question. Next, radius of two circles, this and this. Find the radius of circle having area equal to sum of the area of the two. Area equal to sum of the area of the two. Now here let R3 be the bigger circle. Bigger circle. This is R1. Or this is R2. The area of this circle equals area of this circle plus area of this circle. Area of the circle is equal to pi r3 cube square equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Nothing but r3 square equal to r1 square plus r2 square. And nothing, something like this. This. Just put the value and get the answer. Nothing special. This 12.3, this figure depicts that an arcade target marked with the 5 scoring region of center outward, and this is the diameter of the region representing the gold score is 21. The diameter of the region representing gold score, the gold itself has diameter 21, and each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of the scoring region. See, this is gold. It has diameter of 21, which means radius is 21.2. This is 10.5. Now each band is also 10.5 centimeter. 10.5. Then another is also 10.5. 10.5. So here you need to find the area of 5 scoring region. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, area of gold will be pi r square. The r is 10.5. Area of this, now red will be, see, only this much is red, so pi r plus 10.5, so this is meter wide, square minus pi of gold square up till here, area of this pi r square. Now next, for area of blue is area of r plus 10.5 plus 10.5 whole square minus area of this value a of r. A of black is equal to pi r plus 10 plus 0.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5 square minus area of blue. And similarly, area of white, pi r plus 10.5 into 1 2 3 4 whole square minus area of black. This is calculate to find the value, substitute the value and get the answer. Now third is done. Now fourth question. The wheel of car are of diameter 80 centimeter. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 40 km per hour? See, this is in minute, this is in centimeter, this is in kilometer per hour. See, wheel of car has diameter 80 centimeter. Wheel of car has diameter 80 centimeter. Wheel of car has diameter 80 centimeter, which implies that radius is 40 centimeter. D by 2. In 10 minutes. Time is given to be in 10 minutes. We can convert into seconds as 10 into 60, 600 seconds. Speed we are given in kilometer per hour. 66 kmph. Nothing but 66 into 1/10,000 by 3600. 2020 cancel. 636. 6 11 this is 110 by 6 meter per second, which is nothing but equal to 00 centimeter per second by 6. Now, how many revolutions? The question is how many complete revolution does the wheel make in 10 minutes? Traveling with a speed of this per hour. See, this much is speed. Now from circumference, it is the question asks for how many complete revolution. Revolution means a circumference. Yeah. Circumference is 2 pi r, and the whole wheel revolves. So one revolution is 2 pi r. So total number of revolution will be n into 2 pi r. So and time you are given is 600 seconds. So the total this circumference it has traveled using this velocity is circumference traveled is v into t, nothing but 1100 by 6 into 600, nothing but 110000 4 times 0 centimeter. Now this 2 pi r is 2 into 22 by 7, r is 40. Now suppose this is C, circumference, or you can say CIR. Circumference value is that centimeter. So number of revolution will be CT by CIR. And suppose if you get the value 9.17 or 9.7 or 9.9 also, then you have to take, since this is saying that how many complete revolution, so it will be 9 only. So put the value, solve and get the answer. Next, take the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of the circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is, perimeter and area are equal numerically. You know that perimeter is nothing but a circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. This perimeter and area is equal. Area is pi r square, numerically equal. And what is the value of r? This is equal, which means pi r square minus 2 pi r equals 0. Take r common, pi r common, r minus equals 0. See, from here either r equal to 0 or r minus 2 equal to 0. It implies that r cannot be 0 because it is having some radius. Implies that r equals to 2 from here. So this, the radius circle is 2 units. So unit is not mentioned, 2 units. So thank you for seeing this, and next lecture, ready for next lecture. Thank you.